There's a lie you've been told your whole life. Artists don't make money. But what if I told you that's completely false? In fact, right now, thousands of artists are making 6 and even 7 figures doing what they love. The real question is, are you ready to be one of them? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn your art into a thriving business leveraging social media, online platforms, and strategic pricing. So, if you've ever wondered how to turn creativity into cash, keep watching. Because this might just change everything for you. Let's be real. Most artists struggle to make a living. You pour your heart into your work, but instead of getting paid, you hear, "Can you do it for exposure?" Or worse, no response at all. You start to wonder if you're wasting your time. Sound familiar? But here's the truth, it's not about talent, it's about strategy. The difference between a struggling artist and a successful one isn't skill, it's knowing how to market and monetize that skill. And today, I'll show you exactly how to do it. 1. The myth of the starving artist, why it's a lie. The idea that artists must struggle financially is outdated. Think about successful artists like Beeple, who sold a digital artwork for $69 million, or illustrators making 6 figures selling prints online. The problem isn't that art doesn't sell, it's that most artists don't know how to sell it. The first step? Changing your mindset. You are not just an artist. You are a business. And businesses don't wait to get discovered, they create demand. Once you accept that being an artist is also being an entrepreneur, your entire perspective shifts. You start seeing opportunities instead of obstacles. You recognize that making money from art isn't about luck, it's about strategy. And that's exactly what we're going to break down next. 2. Monetizing your art in the digital age. Years ago, artists relied on galleries and exhibitions. Today, you can sell to millions with just your phone. Platforms like Instagram, Etsy, and Patreon have made it possible to build an audience and make consistent income. Artists like Loish and Ross Draws generate revenue through their social media followings alone. Your art is an asset, you just need to put it in front of the right people. What does that mean practically? It means optimizing your social media profiles, having a consistent posting schedule, and engaging with your audience. It means leveraging platforms like TikTok to showcase your process, and Patreon to build a community of supporters who pay you every month. The tools exist, you just need to use them. 3. Creating and selling high-demand art. What makes an artwork sell? Demand? This doesn't mean selling out, it means understanding what people want. Trend-based art, like pop culture designs or niche aesthetics, sells incredibly well. Just look at how anime-inspired art, minimalist prints, or AI-assisted digital paintings are booming. Research what's trending, then put your unique spin on it. For example, if you love fantasy art, you can create a niche around dark fantasy, or mythological creatures. The more specific, the better. Find the overlap between what you love to create and what people are actively searching for and buying. That's where the magic happens. 4. Leveraging social media for artistic success. Social media is your free marketing machine. Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest are where art sells. The key? Post consistently, show your process, and engage with your audience. Viral time lapses, behind-the-scenes sketches, or transformation reels can skyrocket your reach. And once you have an audience, selling becomes easy. Think about it. If you have 100,000 engaged followers, even if only 1% of them buy a $30 print, that's $30,000 in revenue. And the best part? This is just one income stream. Combine this with commissions, brand collaborations, and licensing, and you're looking at a full-time career as an artist. 5. The power of print on demand and passive income. Want to make money without lifting a finger? Print on demand is your best friend. Websites like Redbubble, Society6, and Printful let you upload your art and get paid every time someone buys it. That means no upfront costs, no inventory, no hassle. One artwork can generate thousands of dollars over and over again. Imagine waking up to sales notifications from prints, mugs, and phone cases with your art on them all sold while you slept. That's the power of passive income. And the more designs you upload, the more you earn. 6. Freelancing and commissioned work. Custom art is another way to make serious money. Whether it's book covers, Twitch emotes, or tattoo designs, there's a demand for unique artwork. The key? Know your worth. Instead of charging hourly, price based on value. A logo that helps a company make millions should not be sold for $50. Learn to negotiate, and don't undersell yourself. If you struggle with pricing, research industry standards. Look at what top freelancers in your niche charge and position yourself accordingly. Over time, as your portfolio grows, so should your prices. 7. Building a business around your art. The difference between a hobbyist and a full-time artist? Treating art like a business. This means having a portfolio website, setting up an email list, diversifying income streams. The more professional you look, the more people trust and pay you. Artists who think like entrepreneurs make money. Those who don't, struggle. Start treating your art career like a business today, and you'll start seeing business-level results. Right now, you have everything you need to start making money with your art. The only thing standing between you and success is action. Every day you wait is a day you could be earning. You don't need permission. You don't need a gallery. You need a plan, and now you have one. It's time to make it happen. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment about which strategy you'll use first. And don't stop here. If you're serious about building wealth with your skills, watch the next video on screen. YouTube chose it just for you. Click it now and keep learning how to take your financial future into your own hands.